Good morning, guys. So I woke up by 4 and Momsi has already done the puff and the egg roll. So now I am doing the samosa and stuff. I set my alarm and by the time it just went off, I was up already because in my subconscious, anytime I need to wake up early, I just feel it in my sleep and then I don't really sleep 100% so that I can wake up immediately. So that's it, guys. I'm just going to round up. What's the time now? This is 4:16. We'll probably be done earlier because I didn't expect her to be up. I was thinking I was going to have to wake her by 4. But she's up and she's done with everything that she was up to do. So I'm just the one left behind now. So yeah, we're on time. We're definitely on time. So yeah, everywhere is right already. I'm ready to go. The time is... I'm ready. The time is 6:30 on the dot. My alarm is going off. So we're ready to go. My ride will be here in 3 minutes. 2 minutes. Let's go. On this road? Yeah.
I checked when I posted. Most persons are very ready. Oh my life.
Experience like this one.
Experience time. I feel for your vlog.
Okay, so we are the early birds.
Yeah.
And we're about to go. Where is the bus that we say we are going? Voila!
Your phone. Your.
It has broken before, so.
Sorry.
Kachi, park the car. Why are you still inside car?
She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she keeps pulling at my chain.
Queen Miracle.
You're making a video. Better for you. I know you never feel it.
Hi. So this is past. What's the time?
I don't know. I think it's like 2 minutes.
6:54. We're late. We're behind schedule.
Don't worry. It's 20 minutes to the venue.
Okay.
40 minutes rather.
40 minutes is plenty, oh. Okay.
Ewo.
Late comer. Late comer.
I know.
I'm fine. Good morning.
True. I'm supposed to even be.
Hi. In my vlog. I'm fine.
Where your vlog?
Yes, you are.
How far?
My camera is going to be in everybody's faces today. Get ready. I videoed you now. Hi, my love. How are you? We're twinning with this jacket. Okay. I'm vlogging everybody. Hi.
So we should meet Sam. Nice to meet you, Sam.
This phone call that you have been having since like how many?
You know her?
This call that you have been on since how many hours now?
Nice to meet you, Faith.
Nice to meet you.
Is not just a content creator. She's an influencer.
Oh my god.
She's like golf player.
Everyone. I'm trying my best.
Faith Agaja. How are you? Are you live?
I'm not live. I'm recording. My camera is going to be in everybody's face today.
Oh God.
Nothing.
How is me? I'm going also.
What's that? See how the voice changed. I got to compose. You already know that scene. Just see these people. We have not climbed anywhere. We have not gone anywhere.
Empty fuel. Empty fuel tank.
Are you kidding me?
This is your favorite DJ, favorite DJ, the Twisting Time.
She hums a tune I've never heard.
My voice is so loud. Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit of stretch so that we get ourselves gingered and hyped for the whole thing that we're going to be doing upstairs.
Stretch. Open your hands.
Just keep my head. Nah, I don't want that kind of thing.
You feel the pain slightly here. Let's change.
Content they cry.
Yes, so. Okay. This way.
Yes.
This way. This way. Yes.
I don't want that, you know.
This way. Okay, watch. Okay, open hands. If I say clap once, I clap once. Clap once. Two times.
The Benin game. This is us before we climb the mountain. I don't commercial. I don't fit. But I cannot breathe. Wait, are we still climbing this mountain? Without this walk. That's the problem. I think the mountain was closer to the road. Would have reached it.